It is Tuesday, yes, Tuesday, November 13th, 2018. So yesterday we had one hell of a drop. We took it from here to here for the first 45 minutes and just enjoyed those profits, took the rest of the day off, and it was great, right? Nothing wrong with taking the profits and just letting it do its thing and then coming back the next morning and doing it all over again. So as it stands right now, the daily chart is absolutely disgusting. Let's hop into the options discussion channel on wingtrades.com. There we go, now we're connected. Whew. It is a long morning. So on our daily chart, we've got 27036 as our support on this little drop here. As we can see just from pre-market, we expected to get a little bit of a push up, a little bit of a reload there. That's normal after hours, and then we'll see if it can break below 273.00, and if that just comes straight down to 272, which is basically yesterday's close by like 1 or 2 cents there. Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah, so as it stands right now, from here to here would be a nice movement in the first, I'd say 20 minutes, first 20 minutes there. That would be swell. But I don't expect it. So we'll have to see how this all plays out. Alright. As far as Qs, let's see how those are playing out. Same deal. Qs took it really hard that second drop. Damn. Yeah, there's about 50 cents here on Qs that it can do. And then DIA is actually a little bit closer, 66 to 92, so about 30 cents there that it can do.
Oh. Hey, Chris.
Good morning.
Hold around. Good morning, Aaron.
Morning.
All right.
Can you hear me today?
I can. That's going to be an inside joke forever.
It is. Check before the market opens.
Yeah. So about 2 minutes here, we're just chilling. We'll see how this all plays out.
Apple's on some key support here at 190.
Nice.
I added a ticker today, Aaron, to my bloodbath.
Ooh, what'd you add?
That is GS.
Very nice.
Yes, they deserve it.
Absolutely. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so GS is on watch. I'm not saying I'm going to trade it definitely today, but Microsoft, Boeing, GS, and Apple.
I like it. Yeah, that'll be fun.
That's what we're going with. Microsoft, boy, I don't know if any ticker sets up more on the curve strategy than Microsoft.
Yeah.
It seems like every day.
Yeah, I've noticed that. I've been going in, and I keep hearing you call it, and it's the same thing over and over and over, and Microsoft just keeps printing it beautifully.
Well, not every time, but a lot.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, so GS, let's see. I have never traded Goldman. I see they're riding some sort of PR. I really don't care. The chart speaks volumes over any news bubble.
Okay.
So I'm just going to keep my eyes on Goldman, and if it's a nice, clean trader, I will keep it in my back pocket. But also, Aaron, I was thinking DIA may RSVP its invitation, and I want a little exposure to the Dow.
Yeah. As far as like medium term, 3 to 9 months, the short, the bearish movement, all that goodies. I've got some SDOW, SDOW, triple short Dow. That's the only exposure I'm willing to take on it, just because it trades intraday like a piece of crap.
Okay.
So that's the only thing I'm going to take on it, and I've had that since early October. Same for SQQQ and SPXS triple short on SPY and Qs. So that's the only way I will touch DIA, because it is just a pain in the ass intraday. Like you can see right now, SPY and Fuse had a huge candle out of the open, and DIA didn't get its invitation to the party. So, to be expected. I don't know. This morning might be a little recovery time.
Oh yeah,
It
waiting for
needs
the
it.
put to 274.5.
274.5. That's up there.
Yep, that's where we're going.
Damn.
Got you.
All right. Yeah, 274.65 is pre-market high and a little bit of resistance yesterday. So that is very possible. We'll see how the first 2-3 minutes plays out.
Wake up, Aaron.
I know, I'm so tired.
Yeah, we were both up. Well, I was up until 2. That Carlos, is he in here? Is he all right now?
How is Tilray this morning?
I don't know.
Who cares?
Well,
We have
Carlos
someone
had a
in it.
huge position, yeah.
Oh, sorry for that.
It's all good.
It's recovery. It's fine.
Spready whipsaw IPO piece of crap.
Freddie, what now?
It whipsaws. It drops really fast. It comes back really fast. There's no trend. It just violates all sorts of support and resistance. It's nasty.
Okay.
Well, it was just an appropriation to the price relative to the news and what they could potentially be. I think in 5 years, if they take over the industry, they could be $300 or $400.
That'd be cool. But
Yeah.
that's after a market crash.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll pick them
Hold
up
off
in
there.
like 9 months.
Yeah, buy the company.
Yeah.
The GLBS is coming below. Okay, so GLBS is now below.
By a slight push out of the gate here, it's sitting at VWAP.
Microsoft on a flyer.
Well, yeah. Tech's moving, Qs are having a good push here.
XLK top sector.
Yep.
SPY top ETF.
That's okay, 0.88% on the day. XLC coming in behind it, so you know Facebook is having a good day. The Facebook ETF. So let's see what else. XLV Healthcare looking
Microsoft
quite
pushing.
nice. Yeah, I like it.
Go up so I can burn. Let's go. Oh my god. Tastyworks is like, oh, you just logged in. You typed in your password.
Type it in again.
Type it in again. Actually, I'm gonna log you out. Mid-trade. Thank you.
Well, Tastyworks, if you leave it open, or
All
if you
day.
leave your computer on for like 12 hours, then it will ask
Yep.
you to relog.
Wait, take that feature off?
No, God no.
SPY.
Yep, SPY's right under resistance. 74, 2 contracts on the call side. I want to take it, but it's just up here a little ways.
Just wait.
Yeah.
Oh, call side. Oh, wait for the short, in my opinion. They're just chasing a call. At this point, you'd buy at the top and, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it just got above the first pre-market resistance at 273.73. And I want to see how it acts here. Because it got above VWAP.
Right. But we have a major resistance.
Yeah.
We're still bearish below 275.
Oh, yeah.
So I wouldn't be looking for a call to go 1 point up when we're looking at 3 or 4 points down.
Yeah. Let's see here. Qs are pushing nicely. Qs are above pre-market.
Tastyworks is reopened. What the heck?
Doesn't like your Mac.
No, it doesn't like my Mac.
You gotta get yourself a trading PC.
Well, you know.
You could get it, and then you could do tax deductions off your little portion.
That's true.
Yeah, that's how I'm paying for my monitor, for my keyboard, my mouse, my computer, my
I'll see
speaker,
you
my
in
mic. Tax
We need to
deductions.
do.
It's
We
great.
need to put this in the books, so it's tax deductible through the business.
Yep. Absolutely. Little pullback on SPY here. Let's see. This is probably just one end of a wave. It's probably going to go up a little bit higher before it chills out and curls. You said 274.5.
274.22. Jeff said I need to round that somewhere, so I did. I like the 5.
Okay, yeah. 274.65 is pre-market high, so that's the decent spot up there. But I want to see if it's
The
just
minor
274.0 if it stalls here.
Right. It's an ascending wedge. It's going up.
Yeah.
Just waiting patiently. Because I've been calling the tops each day.
Yep.
on these middays. Except the one that was just innately bullish for no reason. So that was SRAX on the scan. Watch out, guys. SRAX. SRAX below 20.
Yeah, a little push there, but there's a wick on SPY. Qs are decent. They're still pushing a little bit.
By the time I typed that SRAX was there, it already sold off.
Wow.
Yeah. Literally 5 seconds.
Yeah, no thanks.
It's a quick trade.
Yeah.
To say the least.
Jeez. So SPY's stalling out here around 274. Q's stalling out around 168.25.
I'd still be in the green $50 in that yesterday's entry. All right, so we're right below. This looks good, Jeff. This looks good, Aaron.
Yeah, I do like this. DIA is still slightly bullish. Got the bullish 1320 cross above VWAP. Just patiently waiting.
I'm still seeing the 1020 haven't crossed on the 2 minute, which has been a fairly consistent read. We're coming down on this. I'm gonna get in.
We're coming down already.
Missed it. I'm gonna wait. Wait for the reload.
If we can get above 274 again, I'll fill 2 contracts. I want to see how this plays out. I don't trust that this is the top.
Right. If you look in the 2 minute, it's a larger bearish flag forming, so I'll wait
even on
there
Qs,
too.
it's not that big.
Right. We have more time, I think.
Yeah. I want to see it test the 274 again. Back up into the 90s for a second. See if this reloads.
Man.
Hey, yeah, hell I know how it is sometimes. You're holding on, trying to forget them all night. Till you're drunk.
Patiently waiting on this movement.
Did you see the dumpster fire?
Yeah. That was a good one. I like it.
Well, that's Jay's doing.
Yeah, it was good.
Tried to lower the pixels on it to be able to put it as an emoji in the server, but it needs to get
That
so
would
much
be
smaller.
really challenging. You'd have to get like a clip art of that.
You just need to condense it, just compress it.
But there's so many different colors in it that it would be really tough to get detail.
It's gonna be a tiny little icon. You don't need too much detail. But this doesn't look healthy. Let's see.
Yeah, I want to see it do a little push here, and then I'll take my 2 contracts. Q's made a new high there by like 2 cents.
Do you think getting a 274 or a 274 and a half?
I'm going 273 and a half. I'm always in the money.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to try to get this limit order at 141. Nope, Q's still pushing. It's not time.
Where are you getting it? 141?
Yep, 141 on the 273.5 puts for 1 day.
Oh, 1 day. Okay, alright. Maybe I need to go to the 1 day.
Alright, there we go. Limit in. So I filled 2 of those at 141. Haha!
Nice.
and then we'll see how this plays out. If this gets to like 150, I'll take profits. That was a perfect reload. Now we just need SPY to be super top heavy.
Well,
we're taking smaller contracts today just because we don't want to do anything stupid in this chop and give up what we made yesterday.
right.
So we're going to be very, very careful of the move. Yeah, I like Q's movement. I like DIA right now. Both sort of stalling. DIA is looking worse than Q's on the bear side, so I like that. But Q's are still printing the high and then a little pullback, high and a little pullback. So we're going to be very careful of this move.
I think our patience pays off here.
Yep, just going to be a few minutes.
Aaron, for this to be a problem, we would need to get above 279.
Above 279.
Yeah.
Yes and no. Yes, that's way up there and that would kill our bearish trend. But no, because we would have already sold those because time decay and we only have 1 day on these options.
Right, no, not for this specific option. I'm saying this setup.
For the setup, yes, I agree with that.
I'll show you on the only way break.
Mm-hmm.
These guys got to cross back over, and that's
Q's coming down. Made a new low since the last 2 minutes, and the previous 2 minutes, and those previous 4 minutes. Yep, we're coming down. Nice job, Q's.
Good patience, guys.
Let's see how far these come down. Now, there's
All
SPY
the way
FUF.
through.
Oh my god.
Let's go. 250.
Wait, what now? Wait, if we're going to 250, let me know so I can load up like 200 contracts.
We're going pretty low today. This is a 5-point play.
Straight through view app.
Oh, baby. Monster trade coming right here on SPY.
Yeah, we're going to 269 today at least. So
I like that.
I mean, I think that might be a full day move. Bottom out, round up at on Wednesday. You know how it normally does.
Something tells me this is gonna bounce here.
Yeah, it looks pretty stable until it gets all the way below 273.
Yeah.
You're in that 40 to 60 area.
I'm up
Right,
$20 a contract as it stands right now. Holy crap, that was sweet. That was a whole dollar move. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Oh,
Jeff,
wow.
where's the 200?
The 200 on the daily is up at 275.91. It is up there.
Man, it already happened. That's done with.
Oh yeah, that was what caused yesterday's dumpster fire. The moment we broke through 276 and it all fell apart, that's what that was. Yeah.
PA setting up.
Nice.
Copy.
SPY looking very nice. As it stands, I'm looking for a bounce off 273.00, and that will be a pre-market low area, and more so just a psychological support. That's where I'll take profits on this and then look for a reload and
Get
come
a
back
descending
in.
triangle coming up. We're gonna see a larger push here. 5 to 6 minutes. The DIA pushing lower. DFQ's pushing lower. If SPY holding that level.
Such a long wait.
closes.
It's stalled
Yeah.
at 0.5. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, that closed on 1 minute.
Oh,
Shit. That
that's
was
low.
awesome. God damn.
That's not coming down. That's too funny. It's going exactly where we're hoping. All right.
Yeah, it's gonna chop a little bit over here. I'm gonna see if I can limit out at 160
You might
Nope,
have a
it's not
VWAP
it's
test.
not gonna work there.
You're gonna remain in the green, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna remain in the green, but
curve. What? Why is the curve? What? This is not a curve. This is a bar. It's telling me I make money even if it goes to $400. I think that's wrong.
that's not how that works. You lose all of it if it goes to $400 on a put.
Oh, I have the sell order out. That's why. Clean, nice rejection here from the 20 EMA.
Yeah, I want to see how this plays into VWAP here. Needs to hit VWAP and come down. If it can stall at the 13 EMA here for another minute, I will double my position down here. That way we get the continuation. Yep, and 2 contracts, market order. Like to get it at a limit of...
I think 52 might be the only thing you see there. 52, 53.
I'm gonna try 53. Filled. Filled at 53. I like it. So now I've got 4 contracts.
VWAP and that little pre-market high are very, very close.
Yeah. VA?
Not yet. Watching closely.
Ooh, I see what you're talking about there.
Alright, let's see how SPY plays out here.
This will take a couple minutes on BA.
That was a nice fill. 53 is a decent spot. Now it just needs to stay under VWAP. Not like that.
Come on back down here.
I'm at break even at this point, so we'll see how this plays out. He's not really taking a push. That was more of a DIA infused push.
Yeah, that was. That's weird. Every day the DIA's been the bull. It's been nasty.
Let's go into the SPY 15 minute. We'll see how this looks. As long as it can stay under 274.10, it's going to look okay. We'll see if this double tops here. Bulls have control. Bloody hell. Let's see how this... It needs to close under 274.10. And this is the reload spot. We were early.
Oh, for sure. We knew, I mean, that's part of the issue. Anticipating what's going to happen.
Solid rejection there. I like it.
We'll see if this candle closes. How it closes.
Yeah.
Because the other one closed much more aggressively than we expected.
Long wick. Very nice.
What are you looking for in the long wicks there?
On the long wicks, if you've got a candle that just bolts up and then it comes immediately back down and closes red on the 1 minute, there's no continuation. Or a very low probability of continuation.
Okay.
And then I don't count those wicks in the overall trend because it was somebody flashing a buy order or somebody flashing a sell order and it just quickly filling all the limit orders down there or up there. So it's not a truly technical move, it's just somebody wanted to get out or drastically get in, and therefore it ends the trend. And as we can see right now, that trend, the bullish move there is over. It's toast. So...
Yeah, you get that move too, Aaron, on volume.
Mm-hmm.
With that big topping wick.
Exactly.
That's a nice reversal signal. And Boeing can't even get back to VWAP. We just crossed under the 20. DIA giving up the ghost.
Nice.
I'm just chilling.
Yeah, I've got my 4 puts, and it's looking okay. We're under VWAP on SPY and on Qs. So we just need to get a move below the previous trend low, which is 273.33. If we can get below that, then we'll get a huge continuation down through low of day and through opening range there. I do like how this is playing out. I didn't like that reload up there, that kind of pissed me off, but that long wick was okay. Back to the entry price on those SPY puts, the second set that I bought. This needs to make a lower low on the trend or else it's going to have some issues getting further down. Under that 273.5 psych support, or it's right at that psych support.
I don't like that higher low there.
Yeah, I want to see how this plays out. It could be tough. DIA double bottomed on the channel. Q's a little bit slightly higher. Yeah, back above VWAP. That was an interesting move. So since we've got a higher low, if this doesn't like curl down and reject VWAP here in the next 2 minutes, this move is going to get really, really gross. But I'm still convinced the Bears have control because of that long wick at 9:48.
Here comes Boeing.
Boeing coming down.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Oh man.
It
There we
didn't
go.
set up.
SPY looking for the double bottom. Q's made a new low by 1 cent.
We don't want SPY to double bottom.
True, but it might. Because there's some bids on there around the 230 to 238 zone.
Okay.
SPY looking good. Microsoft giving up.
DIA printed new low. Q's printed new low.
GS, dude. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
I
Right
love
above it,
GS.
203.
Such a dumpster fire.
The only line I could draw.
I found that sweetheart yesterday.
Nice.
Beautiful. Yeah, Boeing, you're gonna get your reload here, and we're gonna see a little bit of a push and then a failure on SPY.
We need 352 dead for me to pull the trigger on Boeing.
Okay, I see it.
So it can do it. 2 points on this stock isn't, out of the question. We just
352 above VWAP.
Alright, right here's the make or break on SPY.
52. Oh, I see. Okay.
see that.
Yeah.
Make or break on SPY right here.
Microsoft in big trouble. Never
That's
seen
good.
it.
DIA just pushed new low day. Or not new low. New lows in the setup.
Yeah.
Q's pushing lower as well. SPY following shortly.
Apple about to make a new low.
Okay, that'll bring SPY. That'll help.
Yeah, these are all bearish.
Problem with Apple is it's at a whole dollar, 193.
Yeah.
We got 192.99er.
192.99. Okay.
And yes, the weighting in Apple will drag SPY down.
Exactly.
Yep.
Let's see how that plays out.
I want to see 183 on Apple.
And the weighting in BA will drag SPY down also.
What's BA's waiting for SPY?
It's the #1 weighted industrial.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
Yeah,
#1 weighted.
that'll do a little number.
Yeah.
Here's your reload. We were expecting this push.
I want to see. Everybody but SPY got a new low on that trend, or a lower low.
Right, but we were expecting this push with BA, so BA should be coming up. Jeff, you ready?
I see it. Yep. Actually, Goldman's holding and almost set up a call entry here on Goldman.
GS?
Yeah. Oddly enough.
Oh, interesting.
XLF. Middle of the pack. XLF.
Financials, 0.88% up. Yeah, it's decent.
Middle of the pack.
Nice wick on the SPY 1 minute. Failed to hold VWAP.
There goes the new low for BA.
Nice.
This is going to hurt. We're almost at...
Q's about to eat it. DIA about to eat it.
BA about to eat it.
Yeah. This didn't even get to the 274.22.
I'm gonna go in here and fill 3 more contracts the moment we get that new low push.
Okay.
But we have to confirm that we're making a new low before I almost double the order.
I mean, I would, if you're gonna double the order, I would wait for a better entry. To be honest.
Well, when we get the lower low, that's what confirms it. So I just want to see a little tiny push here. Come on, SPY. It's ready.
I mean, it's got some time in it.
New low.
2, 3, 4,
Here it
5,
comes. Ay, ay, ay.
9. So
Here
Yep,
it comes.
there goes. I'm not going to fill the order, but I'm going to prep the sell order.
check that low a day. Where are we bouncing?
Very nice. Looking for 273.00.
A realistic conservative bottom for today. 271. 8. Maybe 272.4.
SPY.
272.00 is that conservative spot, unless this wick is super long. 9 seconds on the candle.
Here's the new low on Apple.
Nice.
Yeah, you're getting your help, bud.
Q's are leading this. SPY's getting a little choppy.
DIA is trying to hold on. Careful.
BA is going to give you 10 points today. Watch.
Oh man, it didn't
And
reload, Jeff.
it never tested. I know. It was within 30 cents maybe of testing.
Frustrating. GS is testing right now. Interestingly enough.
Q is about 20 cents from the gap to fill. SPY about 15 cents, or at this point 30 cents from the gap to fill. It needs continuation,
Just needs time.
and the 1 minute is not helping.
This looks good, doesn't it? It's a pretty
It
healthy
looks
movement.
good, but the 1 minute, the fact that it's almost recovered the entire drop there, or now that it has recovered the entire drop.
But it's below the candles next to it. Look at this. These two over here, the 273.36 and the 273.38.
But this is our reload.
But this is the open at 34. We're below there. If it closes below that, that's
Yeah.
the reload. But
Needs to close below 34, yes.
Right.
New low on Boeing, new low on Apple.
New low almost on Q's.
Yeah.
Yep, new low on Q's.
Oh man, they're so bad. And then DIA is just, I don't know why it has traded so poorly. The other day it was bleeding upwards and didn't have any volume, and it got volume and gapped. Now today it's bleeding downwards and it's not getting volume. So when it gets volume, it should still do the same thing at the accelerated rate.
Patiently waiting on this move here. I think I'm going to exit at 273 and then reload, because it's probably going to bounce on that low day.
Sure.
Or on the opening range there.
Sure.
See how SPY moves here.
I see a bearish wedge.
Yeah, slightly bearish.
I
We'll
mean,
see if it immediately
excluding
breaks
that
it.
wick.
Yeah.
Boeing, Apple, new low. Still.
SPY attempted.
DIA pushing lower.
This
Almost
is
contesting low a day.
this is serious trouble right
It's a 5-point day, Jeff, for SPY.
It's a 10-point day for Boeing.
Ooh.
Jesus.
Oh, wow. We're already at 6 points.
That's kind of scary. 6 points already?
Yeah, already.
How much is SPY priced at?
SPY?
Or not SPY. How much is BA priced at?
The support.
346 dead.
346.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's up there. A 10-point day,
yeah.
that hurts. That's 3%.
Oh, yeah.
Shit.
340 is the next support on the daily.
Okay.
Q's new low a day.
Yep. Very nice. Q's falling through.
Apple new low a day. Here comes Apple 190 possibly today.
Q's coming down hard. SPY is not playing along. That is not a good sign. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on, Spy. One more cent. There we go. Alright, we're good.
Boeing new low. Apple new low.
Spy new
Yeah,
low.
You're getting your help, Aaron. You're getting
Yup.
your help.
Like it. Here's Spy 273.
Done. This could get ugly.
Enjoying a 5-point day on 5 foots.
98.
What a great day.
Let's go. Alright, there's your low.
272.98.
If this doesn't go below this, I might get out here.
Yeah, I'll take profits if we get back above 273 on Spy. But I don't expect that to happen just because we printed a new low of day and we're into the gap to fill.
Oh, that's fair.
See how this candle moves.
Oh, I'm not patient. I don't like wasting profit.
Mm-hmm.
But you had a reasonable size in that too, so this is
4 contracts, it's not too bad. If it were 8 contracts, then I'd be a little bit more concerned. But
well,
4
yeah,
contracts,
eight contracts sell
comfortable.
half. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Microsoft threw a $0.50 red on the day.
Spy looking good. Yeah, Spy failed the 10-point test, so we will see lower.
Yeah, Spy is in a world of hurt right now.
Look at GS. Look at the consolidation on GS. Do they have a catalyst?
That's all I'm watching is GS because everything else. BA got away, sadly. You know,
So
it just
pretty.
didn't set up right.
Oh man, Spy's going down.
Mm-hmm. And we're all sleepy this morning.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Sleepy Tuesday.
It is Sleep
Spy-
Tuesday.
Spy goes red on the day.
Alright, I'm gonna take profits here.
Apple trying to go red on the day. It's not far.
Alright, I took profits. I'll come in for a reload.
Here's the stupid bounce that makes no sense. Well, covers.
Man, that sucks. Look at that. The wick on that. What the
What's
hell?
that mean? Talk to me.
The wick that touched 273 and then somebody market sold, pushed it right back down to 272.9. So on
Jeez.
4 contracts, let's do the percent math. 1.83 minus 1.41 divided by 1.41. That was 30% on one set of contracts. And 183 minus 153 divided by 153 times 100 is 19%. So we got 30% and 20% on those sets of contracts. That is amazing.
Awesome.
Now we're just going to wait for the reload and then we'll do it again.
There we go.
And I don't mind taking profits into the push. Even if it goes further down before reloading, that's okay.
Like that.
I don't mind it.
I want 5 points today.
You want 5? That's a lot of points.
I want them all.
I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll be back.
New low for Apple. Nope.
Yeah, very nice move. I like it. Bears are going to get greedy, and then bulls are going to come in and swoop up a little bit of a reload, and then we'll buy the reload, or sell the reload. Buy it with puts, sell it with direction, and then we'll go for that again. Very nice move. Q's still slightly pushing lower and lower and lower, but volume is starting to wane, so we're going to be careful. Very nice. See how this all plays out, and that was a nice profit. $144 on 4 contracts, or on a total of how much buying power? $588 buying power, and we made
Come back down, Spy.
144. That's awesome. Easy. Spy's gonna go for the reload here. He's gonna go tap 273.00,
So
and then we'll
high.
get the reload. No, it's not. It's only 20 cents.
I know, it's too much.
No, the bigger the reload, the better the drop.
Exactly.
Interesting.
And we want to get it on the right side of the evening star. We said this on Friday, and then we did it correctly yesterday. So we'll do it correctly again today. We'll wait for that reload.
Okay.
There we go, 10 cents away.
Can't mute.
Nice little move here. Q's reloading, DIA reloading. DIA back into opening range. Q still has some move before it's back into opening range. Just patiently waiting this reload.
Did DIA reject from opening? Ooh, yeah, it did. Real clean.
Yeah, it looks nice.
And SPY from the pre-market.
Yep.
Look at that. Wow.
XLF leading the sectors, and it's showing in GS right now.
Very nice movement here on SPY. 4 contracts are pending, they're ready. I want to get that 273, but we'll see if we can actually get up there. Doesn't look like we can.
I'm concerned with DIA here. I don't like that.
It'll be okay. DIA is not leading this. It's a tech breakdown. So DIA is just kind of along for a slight ride.
GS is going on a flyer here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the consolidation was beautiful, Jeff. Beautiful consolidation. It's very, very bullish.
Looking for this reload.
Man, I'm
273.04 is our 13 EMA.
got a possible curl here. Be careful here.
Yep, I'm waiting.
Where's your top?
Top is
Anticipate.
at the 13 EMA, which is a variable top, but about 273.05.
Right there.
Yep, let's see how this plays. It may push to the 20 SMA at 273.24, so that's why I want to make sure I get the back side of this reload.
Right.
Because we learned that the hard way on Friday, even though we did profit.
On Tuesdays,
Yep,
is
that's why we
there...
wait.
Right.
Yep.
On Tuesdays, is there a directional guarantee, or is it more...
Well, let me go find my special notes.
Because we just reclaimed the 20 EMA. We're getting pretty quick consolidation up there. Let's see.
Breached the low, nope. Price crosses high last 4, nope. Market strong downtrend, nope. We're trending. So in a highly uptrending market, which is not what we are in right now, the lows would be on a Tuesday. So we have to be careful of that. Wow, that reload. That is why we took profits. If we touch VWAP, I'm absolutely taking puts up there. Blah, blah. She's on Friday. 2% fund price strong, subsequent correction. So I don't have any special secrets that I can give you guys for this move. It's just VWAP. Wow, hello!
Yeah, we're buying right now, people.
That would be 30 cents a contract had I taken that. No, just kidding. 40 cents a contract loss had I taken that. That is why we are patient. Good job. Good job, us. We did it.
Hot.
Alright, now I want the 137.
Yeah.
4 contracts filled at 137. What contracts did I buy? Those are in the money.
Careful. Telling me you can make a lower high into a lower low and potentially test that lower high again?
Yep. Lower high, lower low. VWAP. Yeah, I like the entry up here. I filled those at the wonderful price of 137, so that's decent-ish. Just gonna patiently wait on these. That was one hell of a 2-minute chart. Holy shit. but I'll take it. Bulls are running out of steam here. Gonna move back under VWAP. Very nice. Attempted under VWAP. 8 seconds on the candle. Candle closed below VWAP. This is going lower. Fantastic news.
That is good news because I'm not watching it. Come on back. Yes.
Yep, closed under VWAP. Looking for that move to 273.29 and 2.0. That's our 13 and our 20. Okay. Q's rejected VWAP. SPY and DIA both under VWAP again. I like how this is sitting at the moment. Nice little pullback here.
Yeah, the cross is going to go bullish. Careful. 2010 EMAs.
Yeah, the 1320 went bullish, but it was at the very top of the trend, so that right there is a false indicator, which is why we took puts instead of calls.
I'm on the 1020, and it hasn't been wrong yet in the SPY.
Well, high volatility, any short-term EMA over any medium-term EMA is going to give you a direction, but it's going to be 2 to 3 minutes late. So that's why I've been using the 13 and the 20 EMA. Chris back-tested it for years, and it's the best setup that we can get. 13 EMA, 20 SMA. It works like 80% of the time in high volatility and low volatility markets.
What is it?
13 EMA, 20 SMA.
No.
Yeah.
70% of the time it works all the time? It's like
Basically, yeah. It's a weird way to say it, but it works 70% of the time on average. It doesn't matter what type of market. But it's great. I've been using it for about a year and a half now.
Anchorman.
Let's see here.
Jeff?
Yo.
You watching GS?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that looking like it's going to eat shit again?
No, it's looking good for the long, but I just don't think the market's ready for it to move long.
Yeah.
It's actually setting up for the put right now.
I like it. Tech is going to have to lead this drop.
Yeah, I'm concerned with this setup here. I'll be patient.
It looks decent. 20 SMA is still bearish. 13 EMA is basically flat at this point. So flat to bearish move is just fine. My stop loss on these puts is at 273.7, which would give this a higher high in the trend. And I would mark it ordered out. Getting a little choppy here around VWAP.
Here comes Apple.
SPY almost tapped my stop loss. Don't you dare do that. $30 seconds on this candle. Nope, I'm out. Yep, I'm out. That hurt, but not by much. 173 to 120, or sorry, 137 to 123 for $56 down. But that's okay. Now we're gonna see if this guy taps high of day at 274.13. If it rejects the tap, then we're gonna see a little bit of a chop. If it gets above, then we're going to calls. Take a look at our 15-minute chart. Yep, slightly bullish here. 15-minute is telling us to go up. 5 minutes, slightly bullish as well. Even the daily is saying slight recovery. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Yeah, very interesting setup here, but I like it. Yeah, there's the high of day, 274.13. And if we get above 274.13, it's going to 274.94.
Are you talking about SPY? It's
yep,
273.
Yeah, sorry, 273.68
Okay.
right now. But if it gets above 274.13, which is today's high, then we're getting up to 274.94.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Because you're like, there it is, and I'm like, well, I'm a point lower than you, so am I delayed or?
Delayed a whole dollar. Oh shit. That would not be good.
That's why I had the reaction that way. Sorry.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, MGA. This looks good for consolidation. PXS. Oh goodness.
How much buying power have I used? Maybe $1,000? Yeah, $1,100. God, that's nothing. What a wonderful set of buying power. We've got thousands that we can deal with today, but we just want to be smart about using those thousands. Back below VWAP. We're in a little channel here on the 1 minute and 2 minute. Looking at the 274 put slightly out of the money. Well, actually 273.5 is a little bit better. That's at the money.
DIA showing weakness.
Yep. Q's hovering on the 13 EMA 2 minute. Let me take a look at the 1 minute. Yep, same spot. I'm gonna load 6 contracts, order and a half for this morning. Those will be on a market order. Just prepping those. SPY back above VWAP. Patiently waiting to see how this guy plays out. Yep, long wick on the 1 minute, very nice. And then it rejected that. Okay, somebody market ordered on the bid side to keep it above VWAP.
Seeing a clean rejection of DIA from the 20 EMA.
Yep, nice
But,
move. I like that.
Push everywhere else. So
Yeah, DIA is just a little bit of a challenge here. Hughes needs to leave this drop, or SPY. Solid wedge here on SPY, look at that. Huge wedge. This is going to have to decide a direction here in the next, like, 2 minutes.
I mean, on the larger time frame, it's bearish.
Yep.
1 hour.
And the wedge just broke bearish. Sent 6 contracts on the put side. Filled those at probably, yep, 163. That's not a bad price. Yep, SPY coming down, DIA dropping, Q's needs to follow.
There they come.
Oh, hello. Yep, that wedge failed beautifully. Let's go find that low of day. 273.00 psych resistance. And 272.62 is our definite support. So here's psych resistance, here's 273. So much for that. 272.62 is our next spot here. DIA double bottom. Let's see if it can break and print a new low. This is a DIA-led drop at the moment. Q's is doing the least amount of work. DIA perfect double bottom, needs to print 1 cent lower. 253.46 on DIA. That's the low.
This one break even to plus 50.
And there it is. Come on, come on, come on. 1 more cent, 1 more cent. Don't you dare bounce here. Yep, 1 cent lower, there you go. DIA leading this guy. SPY, oh you beautiful little one. Oh shit.
Should I secure profits above 100% or?
Take off part of your position, but take a screenshot first. You know the rules, screenshots.
Take one when I close it.
I don't like this move. I want to take profits here, but I also see it getting that double bottom test.
PXS wasn't missed. We just talked about it. We just talked about it. 2.52.
Come on, SPY. Come on, come on, come on. SPY looking for more. Q's under pre-market low again. Just tapped it. Oh, come on, SPY. Make my day. Like 270 would be cool.
Oh, waiting for entry. I mean, we had the consolidation. Let's see.
Oh, there we go. SPY new low of day.
Okay. PXS, yeah. So we had nice consolidation.
You're gonna look at SPY here. 272.4.
5 points.
5 points, Aaron.
5 points. I want it. Where is yesterday's low of day? Yesterday's low of day is at 271.99 or 272. I'm gonna call it. Let's see if we can get below yesterday's low of day. In which case we will go to 270. 272.00. We're going to mark that on the chart. Oh wait, it's already marked because I've got this cool indicator. I forgot I've got the automatic high day, low day indicator. That's the dotted teal line. Oh, what a beautiful move.
Is it still going?
Oh yeah, it's still going. 272.5. Stuttering around the psych support here at the 5-0. Wow, I just came up with a really stupid joke.
Hit me.
So, do you know why SPY stops at the 5-0? Because you're not allowed to run from the police. There you go. That was my bad joke for the morning.
I liked it. I liked it.
That was horrible. I'm gonna do some refining, but we're gonna make an indicator called the 5-0.
Like the potential there.
Yeah, there's potential. We just gotta harness that potential.
I was like, oh, okay, see where he's going with this.
Yeah. Can't run from the 5-0. Alright, come on, Spy. No. Other way. South. Alright, I'm taking profits. Hallelujah. And at 163, out at 198. What percent is that?
Lower low into a lower high into a lower low, with new low of day pushing on DIA and SPY, waiting for Qs to pull back into a new low a day, and then I'll take profit as SPY dips another point.
Yeah. I took those profits. Let's do the calculation. 198 minus 163 divided by 163. That was a 21%. Very nice. Jay put a police car in the options chat. I like it. What a great move this morning. $300 up on the morning. Damn 5-point day. Why can't you happen in the first like half an hour?
Yeah, it's gonna be like a 3 or 4 hour thing. It's a mess. I don't even want to wait around that long.
It's 10:26 right now. Okay.
That 10 o'clock pullback though.
Yeah.
Well,
That was actually the 10 o'clock pullback failed hard. It was a 10 a.m. huge push, but it was good.
Bear trap.
Right here, yeah, this is a bear trap. Bulls are gonna hop in, grab the reload up to 29. Sorry, not 29. Jesus, 273.00. That would be one hell of a bear trap if it pulled up to 290.
Oh my goodness.
That would give a whole bunch of aneurysms.
I've got my finger on the market sell, so.
On the market sell for your puts, yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna do a day.
Do another little push here.
DIA, just do your job.
Yep, another little push. Here it goes to 272.00. Yesterday's low. I want to see how it plays around that. It's amazing. Trading. If you really think about trading as just how much money you're making per hour, right? The 300 or what is it, $288 minus $20 in commissions this morning. Or sorry, 300, 298. Yep, nice exit there. That's more than I will make this week working part time.
Right.
That's in 1 hour.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, this is
ridiculous.
going lower, but it's just I'm too far up on the position right now. I don't take profit often enough.
Yeah,
That was good.
Who was it that I was talking with yesterday? I think it was Frank, where he was pissed that he didn't let his puts continue for that like second hour of the day. And I said, it's 1 in the hand, 2 in the bush, right? That saying. You gotta take profits when you've got them.
Oh yeah.
They're
Right.
profits. It's free money at that point.
No, it's someone came at and said they were greedy. I said, be greedy and take your money.
Yep, that's the right way to be greedy.
Be greedy and take your money. And,
2.00.
you know, I needed to trust my TA there with the Qs pushing new low a day into the SPY pullback below 270 or 269.5, but
SPY below Friday or yesterday's low of day here.
Yeah,
it's gonna bounce hard.
Yeah, it could. So this is why I couldn't sell half my position. I only took one contract.
Hey, that's a lot of money on one contract.
Yeah, it is.
What was your entry price? I just see ... because it extends over on the line.
141.
141 to 228.
Yeah, I got in like 30 seconds after you. Tried to get in 138, it filled me at 141. I was like savage.
So 138 versus 141 on a dollar and a what is that?
Yeah.
$1.50 move. Yeah. That's fine.
Yeah. It's gonna go to 269, but at least it took the bulk of the move this time.
Yeah. SPY needs to reload here at 272.
Say it again, Jay.
I'll start diverting my paychecks to Aaron.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, we're doing the same shit every morning. That's what makes you a profitable trader. If you get, sorry, I was reading a message. If you get to the point where you make the same type of trade every day on the same stock or the same ETF, right? I don't look at anything but SPY, DIA, and Qs. I've looked at that for a year and a half now, and that's all I look at. It's all I care about anymore. So you see the same move over and over and over, and as you get better at seeing those moves, you can up your contract size. So like a year ago, August, I was trading 1 contract, and I was losing 99% of the time. It was awful. But I kept going, and I kept going, and I kept going, and then I started trading 2 contracts. And I got a little more consistent. And then I ate shit, and I went back to 1 contract. I was like, okay. Then I took like a month and a half off, because I was determined this wasn't gonna work. But then I decided, okay, it's January, New Year, we got this. Started back up with 1 contract, got consistent, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 contracts, and then it stuttered at 6. I started to get a little bit uncomfortable with the moves. And now we're a year and some change later, and it's just 4 to 8 contracts, it's healthy, and it's just consistent profits every day. And that's where you want to get to be as a trader. And it takes time. You'll hate your strategy for a month and you'll go, wow, this thing is trash. And then it'll come back next month with a clear head and it will work.
Yeah, I paid 114 or 140 and made 80 on that, 87. It's not, it's not bad. So do that every day.
SPY's gonna bounce.
And most people, and I'm doing 1 contract to show that you can make money on 1 contract.
Yeah.
People are like, I don't have enough money to do this. I'm like, well, membership $75 and I just made 87 in 1 contract. So
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Day. That's 1 day trading.
It's amazing how that works. SPY gonna stutter around the. Oop, maybe not. SPY. Wow, SPY's going further. Holy shit. Alright, we're going to the daily chart. We're trading the daily chart now. Oh, what do I want to do here? I want to take my profits and go home. But. What do I want to do here? I want to see how this 1 minute turns out. If we close back above 272 on this candle, then it's officially over, and that was a solid bear trap. Yep, yeah. Bear trap. I hate bear traps, but they're just so good.
Momentum. How are we doing in Momo Land, guys? Yeah, SPY selling off terrifies a lot of people. So they don't want to play momentum because they're trying to figure out what they need to say, like stay in and what they need to buy and what they need to sell. Yeah. So, there's less activity in Momo Land. We're only going to take A+ setups. I've been watching all morning with you guys. We're still consolidating on GLBS, and because of this range, this is going to be one of our highest anticipated moves.
Mm-hmm.
So from the high, BA is down 11.5 points.
Jeez.
Wow, you called it 10 and it's still going? Dude.
Yeah, and it never set up properly.
Wait, BA is down 11 points today?
From the high, yeah.
From the high.
11.5 points
Yeah.
from the high.
Wow. Look at SPY. Perfect bear trap up to 272.35. I am glad I did not enter. That would have been bad.
I almost took the Apple short two candles ago, but I did not.
That would have been interesting, looking at how SPY and just tech in general is right now on the 1 minute, 2 minute.
Apple had that bullish wedge on the 2 minute, and it played
and it
out.
Failed, and then it bounced.
Right, it tried to fail, right, and then it got glued to VWAP, and when SPY flushed down, and now it's playing out.
That was fantastic. What a great move. Now 272.50. All the way up. Hey, there's the 5-0. All the way back up to that psych resistance. Damn. That was awesome. 2-7. Wow. Well done, Skull. 41 cents to 74 cents. Holy crap.
Nice.
That is awesome.
3 for 3. There you go.
That is fantastic. I'm so glad that's working for you.
Oh, I didn't realize it cut off my price. Oh, that's the time.
Yeah, the time cut off your price. It went ...
Yeah.
That is amazing, Skull. Well done. I love it when people trade well. It makes me happy. It's even better than when I trade well, because I get to see other people's orders, and it's just fantastic. That is awesome.
I wish that BA had given us a signal. Jeff, did you take JS? Did you take that?
Also, no setup, no view app test after the cross down.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
nope.
Okay. Stick with our guns, you know. Like
It's got to be the
That's gotta be the
AAA.
perfect setup.
That's right.
Right. Yeah, it's got to be AAAs or it's a no-go.
Wow, look at Spy.
Look at Apple.
Ooh.
This is what I called, though. This is going to see a 1.5 point recovery. Right? This is why I took profit. And I didn't want to sit through this.
Oh,
Because
hell no.
No, it's just not worth it. You know, it could push a low a day, but I'm not trading on hope. I'm taking my profit.
Yeah.
Almost 50%, right? Oh, a little bit more.
Yeah, a little more than 50%. I've got a 30, a 20, and a 21. And then, what was the... Should calculate the loss one. 1.23 minus 1.37 divided by... So that was a 10 point... So, a 30% profit, a 20% profit, a 10% loss, and a 20% profit. That's how it's supposed to be. Big wins,
Right.
little losses.
Right.
And that is great. Yeah, Skull, that is an absolutely fantastic trade. That makes me so happy.
Congratulations on that. Yep.
Good job.
I see negative divergence is setting up on 2 minutes. Microsoft is definitely the best negative divergence right now.
Spy getting a bullish 1320 cross. Oh, Jesus. I'm not buying that cross. Volume is not there and direction is sketchy.
Here comes GS for the view app test to the bear side. I think it's a little early here because SPY's still moving.
I'll do a quick drop of my order, or of my current profits in here, and then we'll drop the final books and trade recaps at the end of the day. So, great move here. And then this guy was not very good. This guy was a winner.
GS failing the view app touch. Ugh. I needed this candle to close. This range is just too much. I mean, that's a point range right there on that 2 minute candle. Over.
Right.
I can't. No. How do you control risk?
Right. Again, you can't. Hold on. The longer this consolidates, the larger.
Oh my God, just GS just getting pounded.
Spy looking for our reverse here. Come on. Let's go look at Q's as well. Q's failed VWAP. Yep, we're back in. 273. 4 contracts. Market order. 4 contracts of SPY puts. +4. Those filled probably a little high, 185. That's not bad. Oh, just kidding. That's great. Okay, we're coming down. Here we go. Looking for a 272.5 break right here, and then the 272.0 test for the Monday low of day.
Is this?
This
It's
might
still
do it
bearish.
again.
I don't like this though. For the Bears or the Bulls, it's really neutral.
Mm-hmm. But it's still lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high.
I agree 100%. This is
A, B,
nasty.
C, D, E. This is going to be our last wave. I'm going to be very, very cautious with this one and not be greedy. I'll just take the profit when I see it fail.
Okay.
Even if that's like right here. Let's see how this plays out. DIA leading this guy as it stands right now. Let's see how this plays.
Did you take the 273s, Aaron?
I took 273 puts, yes.
Gotcha.
Slightly out of the money. Or sorry, slightly in the money.
That first one in.
Yeah.
Yep. Here comes your low.
Looking for 272.00. Let's see how this guy plays out. Four contracts. I didn't go the 6 contract size like I did on the last trade, because this is getting closer and closer to the end of the day of this trend. You know what? I'm gonna take profits here. Well, hold on. Let's wait till the end of the candle. Follow the TA. Be smart. Do what you're supposed to do.
That's right. Patience.
I don't have any of that.
Oh, you need some. Selling patience. $10 million.
Ooh, it's a
Ooh.
hard bargain.
It is a hard bargain. That's a good one.
But it depends. Do you have a $50 million account where you can make that $10 million back in one options trade? Okay, Spy. Bruh. Maybe we shouldn't have waited till the end of that candle.
PXS is failing view up here.
Whoa there, Spy. That was a 70 cent. I'm gonna let it recover back down a little bit, and then I'm getting out. Come on, come on, come on. I'm out.
Rocket.
That was stupid.
That's coming for spine.
So, as that stands, that was 185 to 164 for an $84 loss. Still within the 10% range. So, wow. Spy's gonna get a little recovery here.
It hasn't hit its 1.5 points. It's a VWAP now.
I don't expect it to get up 1.5 points. That would end the bearish move on the day.
I mean, it's not looking great right now for
True.
Bears.
Yeah,
It
let's
could just
see how
flutter
this
through
works.
lunch and then slowly bleed off, but that's going to be a longer move than we were watching for.
Yeah. Spy just under VWAP here. I want to see how this plays out. Maybe I shouldn't, or I should have taken that, the impatient play. I would have been up like 20 instead of down 10. But
That's
that is
fair.
pretty funny. You can't hate yourself or be mad at yourself for these types of moves because you have no control over it. So you just kind of put it to the side and laugh it off. That was funny as hell though. I was like, oh no. That was good though. I don't mind a little bit of a fun play.
941. Ooh, our entry was really good, Aaron. For Spy.
Spy failed VWAP hard. Let's see how this plays out.
Super.
13 EMA support.
These charts are hideous today.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think we're into the chop. I'm going to call that a day. We are done with $214 and $22 in commission. So, about 10% commission, which is totally fine. That is awesome. Jeff, did you get the Tastyworks account set up?
No, I'm just waiting for my bank to realize the transfer, then we'll get her going.
Fantastic.
Yeah, pretty stoked for that.
It's such a great broker. I mean, hell, $22 in commissions when I used $3,000 in buying power. That's less than 1% of my buying power. So, that's awesome. Or no, less than 1% on the buying power. Yep, Spy 2 Choppy here. We're going to call that a day. That was great. We'll be back tomorrow on the stream and in voice chat like normal. Today is Tuesday, right?
It is.
Okay, that's good. I was hoping it was Tuesday. Great work today. Skull, absolutely killer trade. Well done. I'm glad you're doing so well. That's fantastic news. Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Don't have too much fun.